Welcome. In front of me I have the DJI Mini 4K, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the drone itself. So anyway, without wasting time, let's just pop it open. Looks like it's kind of bent out of shape a little bit, but whatever. Okay, yoinking that off. Pull tab 1, and that's all it has. So that's everything that is in the box. So here we have the controller. You can plop in your phone right here. And the cable, just kind of tucked away here. We have the joysticks. Obviously this is typical DJI controller, nothing really has changed here as much as I can tell, though I don't necessarily remember the previous versions of this, but it looks, for all I can tell, very close to or either identical to what it was before. Then here we have our drone, at least I think that is it. And yep, there it is. It's a small little fella. It is called Mini after all. Now the weight of this is 200 and what was it? 49 grams? Yep, 240 grams, 49, which depending on where you live, that might be very important to you, as there are some regulations with it. So this one kind of falls under those regulations, though I haven't checked it out in like some time, so chances are it might have changed. But yeah, there was places where you wouldn't be able to fly the heavier ones, and if you did, you had to have like, I believe like pilot's license basically, which for a drone is just, like, what the hell? It's just kind of a toy that you fly around. So yeah, this one on the other hand side tries to fall under, or obviously does fall under, the category of the light ones, which are basically more kind of like commercially used, or basically used by everyone, so they have a less strict regulations, and like I said, those regulations vary depending on where you live. Anyway, we have a little clip right here that holds it all together, and then you just flip it all up. And there we go. Let's just move that out of the way. And there's one more thing in a box, which is, what is this? It looks like batteries, I think. Let's see. Yep, batteries. And okay, one is already in here, so you do have 3 batteries, and one is in the drone. That's why there is an empty spot right here. So there we go. That's about it. I'm not really gonna go into like more details with like 4Ks and all that stuff, and the times. This was just a simple unboxing, so yeah, there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.